director's cut. We had a long layover in San Juan, so what do?
Eat some Mofongo.
That's right, we're at some place called Bebo's Cafe because there's a lot of traffic, but had to get out of that airport.
It's good. We'll try it. We'll let you know.
Tell me how you feel. I'm hungry a little bit too. Alright, we went to Bebo's. Bebo's? We liked it. And now we're just a few short blocks away from the Atlantic Ocean. And walking through not old San Juan, but like medium San Juan. Younger San Juan, like middle-aged San Juan. Oh shoot, it's a video. Just cheese. That's the end of our San Juan vacation, babe. How was it?
Fun.
2 hours of awesomeness. And here comes the trash guy. Woo! That's our Uber.